Hey y'all, welcome back to More with Mo. And my doors are frozen shut. Cleaned my car off and that stuck to it. But watch, I'm gonna lock the doors back. Now I'm gonna unlock them. Look at this. Fucking door won't even open. On that side, let's try this one. Nope. That one's not opening. Look at this. My doors won't open. Ain't nothing on here. Look at that ice.
I know you got it cold.
Not really. My fucking doors are frozen shut.
Are they really?
Yeah, it's not meant for me to go anywhere, so, hey. Look at that ice on my fucking windows.
That is fucking crazy.
My fucking car doors is frozen shut.
The back one's frozen too.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta get air dryer to heat them up.
Nah, that's telling me to keep my ass in the house. And it's still snowing. But this is wild. My doors won't open. Look at that. Ice. Ice. Look at this. You see that sun up there? It's shining so bright. It better melt this shit. I need my car.
You need a remote starter.
Yeah, I just need it for not to snow. I can do without this. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe to Me More with Mo. And my frozen car doors. Can't go nowhere, y'all. Pray for me. And I'm out.